And today we're at Temple Newsam farm. Sebastian's on his quad. Just thought we'd come for a walk while the weather's nice, 20 degrees. Although there's blue sky above us, but there's grey sky over there. Come on then, Slowpoke, get a move on.
I am fast.
Who are you?
Flash.
Flash?
Yeah.
What does Flash do?
Go really fast. Go really fast.
Really fast?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, Flash,
Yeah.
come and save me.
No.
Stop there, there's a road. Stop. And I think I'm a mind reader because I've ended up carrying this as I thought I would. I haven't even got to Temple Newsam yet, which is over there through the trees. It's a map of Temple Newsam and it's acres and acres of land. Seb, do you know where we are on that map?
Yeah.
Where? Are we at the house in the middle? So I was here 2 days ago, taking some footage of Temple Newsam house, but I noticed after viewing the footage that I never got really close, never gave people a particularly good look apart from the air. So I'll put that right today. We're going to have a look around Temple Newsam house, which is right before me. Temple Newsam house. The sun is probably glaring this out. So let's go have a closer look. Come on, let's go have a look at this house.
Is someone coming in that house?
So, Temple Newsam features, and that's not just Temple Newsam there, Temple Newsam is in all the land, and there's vast amounts of land. But Temple Newsam, and the forest goes on way back that way as well. But Temple Newsam, in fact, can you see the path that leads right up to the road? That leads up to Bullthorpe Lane, that road. Cutting through the trees there, that path, if you follow that all the way, and it's a good old walk, takes you to Bullthorpe Lane. But yeah, Temple Newsam house featured in the Domesday Book. It's called Nehusam back then, I think. The 1300s a house was built here. In the 1500s this house as it stands now was built on the foundations of the old one. And this used to be home to the Knights Templar who built, let's just see if I can see it, they built a little kind of temple thing right back there. I'll zoom in, see if you can see it in the trees. You can probably just see it there if I can hold this camera still enough. Hidden amongst the trees. So the Knights Templar used to reside here. Then it was passed to members of royalty and eventually was bought by Leeds City for a nominal fee with some kind of must-dos attached. One is that they had to open it to the public and keep it maintained, which they have done. It's beautiful. It's a grade 1 listed building and probably one of the best in the north of England. Temple Newsam, and we live I don't know, 20-25 minute drive from it, so we come here quite a bit, don't we, Seb?
Yeah.
And what do you do when you come here?
I don't know.
Do you go see the animals sometimes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, at the farm, which is just behind the courtyard there. Sebastian, should we go look around the gardens? Temple Newsam Gardens, should we go have a look?
Yeah.
Come on then, up that path. Run up this path. I'll bring your quad. Do you like this house? Would you like to live here? Yeah, which bedroom would be yours?
The pirate one.
The pirate one? Which is the pirate bedroom?
I like that.
Is that the pirate bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay. So Sebastian wants the pirate bedroom. And the gardens, which wrong time of year really, but in summer they look beautiful. The trees all flowered, and the bushes all flowered, and the waterfall working. Fountain, should I say? Temple Newsam house and the gardens. You like the gardens, don't you?
Yeah.
Go and have a run round there. Let's play hide and seek.
Okay.
I'm gonna hide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, where's that?
I'm here. Temple Newsam house. Hey, lovely place to come with the kids. Well, we've just flown the drone over the house. I hope you get some good footage of it. It's time to go home. Is it time to go home?
Yeah.
Or should we go to the supermarket and get some food?
No.
Don't you want some food?
I want some buttons.
Oh, you want buttons, do you?
Yeah.
Cadbury's buttons. If you're a good boy at the supermarket, I might treat you to some.
Yay!
Come on then. Have you got a snotty nose?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh dear. The boy's getting a snotty nose. It's really lovely out today. That's 20 degrees, which for this time of year it's good, very good, considering it was 5 degrees last week. What are you doing? Come on. Now comes the slowest part of the day, trying to get him back to the car. Yes.
We got my petrol stick. That's two flowers.
These are nice blue flowers.
Yeah.
They're called bluebells.
Bluebells.
Bluebells, are they pretty?
Yep, I can eat them.
No, you can't eat them. There's a squirrel. Can you see it, Seb?
Yeah.
So you're going to go up that tree?
Yeah.
It's a scary squirrel, is it? It's there in the tree. Oh, it just jumped across that tree. Seb, what did the squirrel do to you?
Don't stick on my head.
It dropped a stick on your head.
Yeah.
Naughty squirrel.
It's a scary squirrel.
Did it throw a stick at your head
Yeah, but
from the
it's a-
tree?
Yeah, but it's a scary.
Where did the stick hit you?
There.
Did it go "Puttish" on your head?
Yeah.
Naughty squirrel.
Like that.
Is it because you ran after it, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't like getting chased, did it? So it threw a stick at you, didn't it?
Yeah.
Have you got dirty hands?
Yeah.
Show me. Yeah.
Don't
Show me
worry.
again.
That.